Hello friends, in this video we are gonna learn how to connect a domain to your Wix website. So first of all, log into your website. Go to Wix dashboard. After that, just go to the top left corner, click on My Site. I'm using free plan, not premium. You can get a domain by clicking on here, or just go to the left sidebar, click on Settings. As you see, domain not connected. Click on Connect Domain. Here you have two options, buy a new domain name, or connect a domain you already own. Click on Buy a new domain. Search for a domain here, and see if it's available. For example, I search for this domain. Just click on Search. If the domain is already taken in Wix, edit your domain name, or change the domain and search again. If the domain you are searching for is already taken in Wix, don't worry, here are some domain names recommended for you. You can select which can define your website. All the name is similar with the name you searching, just click one get it. Because I'm using free plan, it asks me to upgrade now, so I don't want upgrade. The next option is buy the domain. Click on your domain. If you wanna buy domain, choose the pricing plan and just continue. I'm not going to buy. Next option is, connect a domain you already own. If you already own a domain, and you are using premium plan, connect your domain from here. For free plan, connecting domain is not available. So we are going to change the site name. Click on your account name in the top right hand corner, and select account setting. Under basic info, complete your first and last name. Then go to account name and update your name. Re-enter your Wix account password, enter your new account name, and retype your new account name. Then save. Then go to My Sites, click the drop-down box the top right-hand corner and click Rename Site. Rename your site name and your URL name. I hope this was helpful. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.